How to use and analyze your donor database. This is an example of a database that can help you keep track of your donors and other stakeholders. As you can see, there are several columns for contact information, donation behavior, and communication with donors. At the end of this training module, you can download this spreadsheet from the resource section and adapt it to your needs. Let's look at the column headings and explore how the information can be used to manage relationships with donors and support fundraising efforts. Family name. Also include other stakeholders and well-wishers of your organization in the database. In that case, enter 0 in the number of donations and donation amount columns. Birth date. Surprise a donor by getting one of the beneficiaries to send birthday wishes. Every month, select records with birthdays in the next month so you can send birthday wishes to donors. Recruitment source. Knowing the source of your donor can be helpful in case you experience an issue with the donor. Number of donations. Are there donors who have made a donation for the first time? Select all records in which the number of donations is 1. What can you do to ensure a repeat donation next year? Total donation amount. Analyze your major donors separately. Select all records with a donation of more than a certain amount determined by you. Analyze all of the relevant columns and develop an action plan. Amount of last donation. Are there any people in your database who have not yet made a donation? Select all records in which the amount of last donation is 0. Consider running a special campaign to persuade this group to start making donations. Date of last donation. Are there any donors who have not made a donation in the last 12 months? Select all records in which the date of the last donation is more than 12 months ago. What could you do to re-engage these donors next year? Number of communications since last donation. Have you maintained sufficient contact with your donors in the last year? Select all records in which the number of communications since the last donation is less than 3. Decide if there is a need to devote special attention to certain donors to ensure their continued support. Date of last communication. When was the last time you were in touch with the donor? Select all the records in which the date of the last communication was more than 6 months ago. Decide if there is a need to get in touch again, and if so, find a good reason to do so.